Well, hi there, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're making Korean corn dogs. Well, these are corn dogs, these are sausages right now. But I'm gonna turn them into corn dogs.
You!
Okay, you, okay? Okay, it's Sam here that's going to do most of the cooking because she's the chef and I'm just a pleb. And she's already had her apron on, and I don't even have one. Do you really think I'm going to risk getting food bits all over my pristine t-shirt? But let's get it started because I'm getting hungry.
So to start, we need to activate 7 grams of dry active yeast into 350 grams of warm water. You can also add a pinch of sugar to help it. Let sit for 5 minutes or until bubbly. Add 400 grams of flour to a bowl, 40 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of salt. Add your yeast and water and stir until everything comes together. Cover and let it rise in a warm place for an hour or until doubled in size. Now I'm preparing my skewers. A popular way I've seen done is the wiener on bottom and cheese on top, but it's up to you what you want. You can do all wiener or all cheese too. I recommend thick skewers if you make them this big because they get really heavy. This dough is perfect. The gluten in this gives it the stretch you need to wrap them easily. This might take a few tries to get good at. Just make sure it's totally covered. Now coat them in Panko crumbs. I also coated a couple in frozen hash browns. I believe the classic way is to cut up crinkle fries, but this saves time and effort. Again, I coated these in panko. Fry these in oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I got lucky and was able to use my deep fryer without the basket since these were huge, although I could only fry one at a time. I made 2 the popular way by rolling in sugar and topping with mustard and ketchup. Watch us eat these later to see how we like the sweet and savory combo. So here they are, all fried. This recipe makes 9. These were really big, so you could get more if you make them smaller. Let us know how they turned out if you try them yourself. And keep watching if you'd like to see us tasting these for the first time.
Now, this is my favorite part. Eating. Let's see.
So I made the classic one where you roll it in sugar and put mustard and ketchup on it. And then I have a hash brown one. So I just rolled it in hash browns. The frozen kind.
Oh, I'm eating this one first.
Yeah.
Okay, well, before you do it, let's do a little challenge. What do you think you're gonna bite into first?
Oh.
Sausage or cheese? Because we have
Cheese.
both kinds. Cheese first?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess then
Yeah,
I have
don't
to go
remember.
with sausage. Let's see. Oh yeah, cheese. This is what it looks like inside. Combination is rather strange
I like it.
with sugar and ketchup and mustard. I need to try the other one to see which one I like first, but I have a feeling this one is not going to be my top choice. The overall theme is savory, and then you add sugar onto it. It defeats the purpose.
Apparently Koreans like putting sweet and savory together. It's like really popular in Korea.
I have a feeling my favorite are going to be these ones. With the what's it called? Potato bits. Hash brown, yeah. Very good. Good job.
I love cheese, but I can't wait to get to the wiener part because that's my favorite.
Yeah, and I mean these actually came out a little much bigger than I imagined because I thought they're gonna be like this big, and then it turns out this is not even half.
It's the yeast and the dough. And because I could only fry one at a time, they kept getting bigger because the dough keeps rising.
By the time you get to the sausage, you're already going to be half full.
So good.
I'll finally go to the sausage. To the sausage bit. Oh. Oh.
So good.
Guys, it's impossible to eat now because if I try to eat like this, I'm poking myself with the stick. If I try to eat like this, it's too there. I basically have to push everything to the front just to eat it. I don't want to use my other hand.
Well, I don't care. So.
Now this is how you do it with only one hand. Push it down like this, and then use your other fingers. Watch and learn. Ta-da! And this hand
Wow, so cool.
is still perfectly clean. And then when you're eating it, if you can't bite down completely, you bite halfway just to maintain a grab onto it. Now I pulled it out.
Wow. Why do we need a lesson in how to eat?
I'm teaching you to be more efficient. See, you already dropped something. If you do it like I do, there's much less cleaning you have to do afterwards. So
whatever, you're cleaning anyways.
You know.
At first I really liked the sweetness, but now it's almost too much. Cause it's like more sweet flavor than savory.
Yeah, not a favorite. It's probably good if you actually put some seasoning into the dough. Did you put it into the dough?
No.
Yeah. Add some
just salt.
Some fried chicken seasoning into the dough. It'd be much better.
Yeah, and on the crumbs, the tempura. Not tempura. The Panko crumbs. I'm gonna try this.
Oh, yeah, it's faster than me. For once. I'm usually faster than you.
Mm-hmm.
Much faster.
I'm so excited.
As I was explaining how to properly eat this thing, because it's going to be something that you eventually will have to come to. It's very chewy. It's almost like you're eating those...
I mean, it's bread. It's bread.
Yeah, the dough.
It's literally...
It's almost like you're eating one of those gummies. Keep eating, keep eating. It's a never-ending journey. No, don't get closer. Keep eating. Yeah. Keep going. I'll have to finish the job now.
Yeah, the cheese pull is awesome. The other one, because they were sitting for a while, they were cooled down a little more.
I think this is better than the sweet version.
Yeah. I think I want ketchup though.
Yeah, because there's no seasoning on the inside the dough or on the button. And you eat it just plain like this. It's almost too vanilla. It's not enough flavor.
Yeah, but the whole point is you can dip it in.
It's like eating plain fries. I mean, I never eat fries plain. Can't wait to eat the ones where the sausage comes in first. Is it a sausage or a wiener?
Wiener.
What's the difference between a wiener and a sausage?
Sausage just has the casing, I think. Wait, wiener doesn't have the casings. Sausage has the casings. It's like,
Are you sure?
I think so.
Wieners
Wieners are more processed. Like, we don't know what's in them. If you want.
Give it
On it?
Yeah.
All the way?
Yeah. Cool. Much better.
Do you like this better than the original corn dog recipe?
This is way better than the original corn dog. This is actually, this doesn't even have any corn. So you can't really call it a corn dog. It's a dough dog. Or flour
it's
dog.
like my pretzel dog recipe.
Yeah.
It's kind of similar, but I mean it's deep fried.
Yeah.
Like it's dough.
Yeah. If you're interested in our classic corn dog or pretzel dog recipe, make sure to check out in the description below. We'll have them linked down there. They're pretty good, but the pretzel dog could be on the same level if you really like pretzels, but the corn dogs can't compete with this.
I like frying wieners.
This is much better. I mean, if you add cheese to the corn dog, you can probably make it better too. But I would much prefer the flour-based wrapping instead of the corn. What do you have? A cornmeal? Yeah.
It's a mix of cornmeal and all-purpose flour.
Yeah. I like the cornmeal. It tends to stick on
I do.
your mouth.
I like it.
Why's my cheese never straining?
Because that one was fried earlier. This is newer.
Superb. Almost spilled the drink.
I think if I made these again, I would just do wieners because I just want to get to the wiener. Because
That's true.
if I was gonna fry cheese, I would do like small, like mozzarella sticks.
We'll cut them into smaller pieces and then interlace them like this one.
I did do one.
Yeah. But now you can't tell which one it actually is. Which one do you think it is? If you guess it correctly, I give you $5. No looking around, just based on this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me a number.
2.
2. Okay. We shall see. Not very easy to get $5 from me.
Almost full.
I'm warm.
Warm.
Mm-hmm. There's heat coming from everywhere.
Yeah, I'm hot.
Heat coming from here.
I said I'm full, not warm.
Is this all we're eating for dinner?
Yep. We eat healthy around here.
There's no veggies.
Yeah.
Potato? Let us know if you think potato is a vegetable or not, because according to me,
Well,
I don't count them as a vegetable. Well, to me,
No.
the vegetable has to be green, but
it's a starch. It's more like if
yeah,
you're having rice.
yeah. I don't count starch as vegetables.
That's why I didn't continue my sentence. So cool.
Yeah. Do you think tomatoes are also a vegetable or fruit? Do you think it's a vegetable?
It is a fruit, but I consider it a vegetable.
Yeah.
I would call it vegetable.
But who's the official voice in categorizing these things? How do we know if it's actually a fruit or a vegetable?
It probably is something that's in it that's like. Is it tomato or tomato?
That is very obvious.
Yeah, tomato.
Tomato.
Ugh.
Sorry you're making me fall.
It's the dough.
On that note, I think we should just finish the video right here because can't really finish all this food anymore. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more interesting recipes and easy to make at home. And we'll see you in the next video.